Madekwana. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Takaro Marauzi and I am popularly known as Mrs. L Honey. Yes, I'm married and married to my husband. So you can call me Mrs. L. I'd really appreciate that. Anyways, if you're new to this channel, welcome darlings, and also please do not forget to subscribe, like, and let's engage on the comment section. So already you know by the title of this video that this is a makeup tutorial video. Okay, it's going to be a very short one. Feel free to ask any question regarding the products that I will be using for this specific video. I will gladly engage with you guys on the comment section. So I'm not going to talk much. This is just the intro to the video that I took a couple of weeks ago. I know I'm not consistent, but I promise you to do better. As long as you engage, you comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Please do watch till the end of this video and let me know how you feel about it. Let me know if you would want me to do a more detailed video where I get to speak and tell you more about the products. Yeah, anything you would like to see, let me know. I will do it. Okay, thank you for watching and bye. See you on my next one.